Andito po tayo ngayon sa Nuvali Boulevard. So, mayroon na naman po tayong isang property. So, ito yung Hana Garden Villa. So, dito po, we are selling 3-bedroom and 4-bedroom. And also, we do have single attached din. So, ito po ay pre-selling but will be turnover after 2 years. So, we do have flexible payment terms na po pwede nyo pong makita. If in case na interested po kayo, I could send it to you. So, feel free to message po on my number that I will post. So, ito po yung latest construction. I'm gonna show you. So, as you can see po, nagsisimula na si McDonald, which is ito yung pinakanyang commercial area. Ito naman po, ito yung kanilang ating pavilion or the sales pavilion po. So, ito po, yan, under construction. So, iyan po ay composed of phase 1, 2, and then soon po may phase 3 na rin. So, few units na lang po tayo sa phase 2, which is 10 units. So, feel free to inquire po. And hope to see you soon. Thank you!